Welcome to Porter Drive. We're starting today's tour slightly differently. This house has everything that a family would need. We've got a beautiful outside entertaining space. This is the adults only space. Don't judge the owners for being Barnsley fans. Everybody has to support somebody. Then we have this seating area, so an extension for barbecues. Then we've got the play area for children. The lawn size is fantastic because we're sat on a corner plot. So if you've got pets and young children that like to play outside, perfect. The interior space is well balanced and very well suited to family life. 4 really good sized bedrooms, a lovely big living room. There's even a study come playroom. We've got the double garage and driveway parking for 4 cars. I could go on. My name is James Humphrey Stone from The Avenue, and this is 15 Porter Drive. At the heart of every great family home is the kitchen, and that's no exception with this house. We've got space for a 6-seater dining table and chairs to one end, and then this beautiful fitted kitchen. We've got fridge freezer, integrated dishwasher, 5-ring gas hob, the oven, the grill, and then the practicality of a utility room for the washer and the dryer. That, ladies and gentlemen, is number 15 Porter Drive. If you'd like to arrange a viewing, please get in touch on 01773 424 221.